Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the ASOS Skincare VIP's beauty box. This beautiful box is filled with 5 products for your self-care shelf and is retailed for £15. It comes in this gorgeous packaging. Well, ASOS always had beautiful packagings, but this one looks just stunning. Okay, beautiful people, let's find out the Skincare VIP's products that we need in the opinion of ASOS Face and Body. First VIP's skincare product is from a brand that I know and like. It's from Caudalie. It's a face cleanser, Vino Pure Purifying Gel Cleanser with natural salicylic acid, organic essential oils and grape water. Designed to tighten pores and cleanse skin, is free from sulfate, soap, alcohol and synthetic fragrance, and is suitable for combination to acne-prone skin. Product number 2 is a small face cream from the brand Sunday Riley. It's called Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream with ceramides 3, 6 and 9, vitamin F and coconut. It is a ceramide enriched moisturizer designed to replenish the skin with lasting hydration, formulated with beetroot and coconut extract to hydrate the skin, help to keep skin smooth and balanced, and is ideal for normal to dry skin. Product number 3 is from the brand Alpha H Liquid Gold with 5% glycolic acid. It is an exfoliating treatment that works as a toner, exfoliator, serum and as a moisturizer. It helps remove dead skin cells from the surface of the skin, revealing a fresh and luminous complexion. Targets the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation and sun damage. I remember that I tried an exfoliating treatment from Alpha H and it was amazing. I'm not sure if it was this one, I need to double check. Product number 4 is a gua sha from a brand that I'm not sure how to spell it. Psychic Sisters, I hope I spell it right. This is a face tool to use to invigorate the skin and help products be fully absorbed into the skin. And the last product from the box is a face mask from Dr. Jart, Tiger Grass Calming Serum Mask to soothe and moisturize sensitized skin. This face mask helps calm irritated skin, reduce the look of redness, and send a surge of soothing moisture back into the skin. And we unboxed the ASOS Skincare VIP's box. What do you think, guys? Is a great beauty box? For me it is. I like the selection of the products, I like the packaging of this box, and the price is reasonable. I am delighted with this box. I hope you are too. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!